goes up, the moon goes down. We had some great times, but where you at now? Sitting on the beach, the rain is pouring down. Watching the waves crash, I'm lost in the sound. Moments I once shared, but I do them alone now.
Dude, I dig your song so much, man. I don't know if you remember me from like Compass, but dude, I literally have been listening to this song a lot, and it's a really dope song, man. So keep it up, bro. Dude, you're born to do great things. I really like the part about the hate. It really hit me as well. I really can relate to that. So I keep doing great things, man. You were put on this planet to do great things, man. So keep it up, man. And yeah, it's awesome. It's an awesome song. It got me hype.